Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Pen and Pad Adventures, where we learn how to draw fun, creative characters, and in today's video, we're going to draw Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. So, let's go. Grab your pen and paper, your pad, whatever you prefer to draw with, and then let's go. Okay, we're first going to start off with his nose. We're going to start off with a nice line that's slightly curved up, just like that. Then we're going to come down to a nice rounded nose. Come around. Awesome. Same thing on this side. There we go. Let's just do some nostrils real quick. Half circles. Half circles. Kind of halfway between here and here. And then let's begin with where his eye is sitting, like the eye socket. So we're going to come right here to this very top corner. And we're going to go all the way up and around. Stop. We're going to come right here, right before the nostril. Down and around. Connect. Awesome. Okay, let's kind of follow that same pattern. Do almost like a tear shape for his actual pupil. Start here at a point. Come up and around. Stop. Same thing coming down. Come to a point around. Stop. And then we're going to do that same thing for the very inside of his eye. Perfect. And we'll color that in later and all that fun stuff. Then, for this side, we're going to do something just slightly different. We're going to still do the curved line, but not as curved. And we're going to stop. Then we're going to do a slight curve down, in, around, stop. Then we're going to do a nice big round circle and in. Big round circle and in. Perfect. Okay. And in fact, on this side, we'll color it in later, but let's actually make this just slightly bigger. So while it might look crazy, we're going to darken it in just a second. Okay, let's make that again on this side. Start at a point. Nice big teardrop. All the way around. Connect to a point. And then we'll just do a little rounded circle like that. Perfect. Looking good, guys. Okay, let's just do his mouth. We're going to come down and just do a straight line like that. Then we're going to do a slight smile. So we're going to kind of curve up. We're going to slightly curve down. Over. Stop. And we're going to do this little whoop right on the edges of his mouth. And we're going to try to copy this on the other side. Come up. Come around. Then, whoop. There we go. Looking good. And then we'll do his cheek. Down and around and stop. Just doing a little one. This side we're actually going to do it a little bit bigger. We're going to kind of do it like a little swoop like that. Then follow the smile. And then stop right there. Awesome. Now what we're going to do is we're going to outline the rest of his head. We have some ears going to come in over here, so we're just going to leave a little bit of a gap. And we're going to just curl right around the eye. Follow it up and up and up and up and up. And stop. Then we got some, like a little tuft of hair. So we're just going to do a little whoop. 1, 2, one more, 3, and stop. And then we're going to do a line that comes down like that. Do one little curl, stop. Another one, comes down, and then stops. Alright, then let's get his ear. For his ear, what we're going to want to do is come on the inside. I'm going to do a slight curve up. Stop. Curve slightly in. Stop. then curl around, stop, then do like a big U. Yep, just like that. Keep curling around, and curl all the way in. Awesome, looks good. All right, let's try to do another ear on this side. Slight curl around, stop. Another curl over and around. Stop. Letter U. And then come all the way around and connect. Looking good, guys. Let's just add a few little details. We're gonna come right here to this little U shape here. And we're gonna come down, stop, come up, and stop. Looking good. Same thing on this side. Right here we do this little bit of extra edge. Come down, stop, come around all the way to the corner. Looking good. Awesome. Okay, let's just add a little shoulder. Boop, there we go. Good job. Another little shoulder. Boop, there we go. Looking awesome. All right, curl in. Then we want to curl out. Stop. And let's finish off this shoulder. Curl in. And then we want to curl out. Curl down. Stop. All right. Now let's just take a little break from his body. And let's just add in a few little details, okay? Right below his eyes, he's got just like little, I don't want to say wrinkles, because he's not old, right? We just got these little details that we're going to work on. Awesome, there we go. And then what we're going to do is on the inside of his arm, come around, stop, and do a little round for a finger, curl in, 1, 2, and then 3. And we'll add little points, and we'll darken this in a second. Just so it doesn't look too weird. Then on this side of the arm, we're going to do this, come a little down, and then do another line. Make it nice and fat. Again, let's have that thumb come out. I know it looks weird, but when we color this in, we won't even notice. Then what we're going to do is we're just going to do a little swoop. Oh, whoops, we forgot one nail. We're going to do one little swoop for his body. There we go. And let's get his hind legs. We're going to just do a little loop like that to stop. Then what we're going to do is do his leg a little bit further, stop. And then his legs are kind of funny, or I guess his feet, I should say. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do like a little, almost looks like a suction cup or something, like from an octopus. Then we're just going to do a little dark circle, then do a little gap, do another one. Do another one. Then we'll stop right there. Come around. Stop. And then we're going to connect back up. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we need one more. And we'll darken these in and add some details as well. In a second, we'll just add this little inner side. There we go. And let's get his other leg, and then we'll wrap it up. Around, stick out, little toe, yep, little toe, yep, little toe, yep, one more on this side. There we go. And come all the way around and connect. Perfect. And then we'll just add some details real quick. Little chin, a little fluff on his chest. Little detail right there. And then what we'll do is we'll color it in, add a few more details, and bam! Stitch! Look how good that turned out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up for Stitch, because he is great. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great videos. Thanks for watching again, and I'll catch you in the next one.